Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm tutor next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold opened gap up here. And after the gap up opening of gold, we can clearly see that the gap has been filled immediately. As we all know, no market love gaps, whether it is a gap up or gap down, market tries to fill the gap eventually. So here also, we saw the same thing today. After the gap up opening, market filled the gap. After filling the gap around 4050, market took support and now market is trying to go up. So if we look at the market sentiment, you can see gold rises as US Iran peace talks hide. As we all know, okay, so sometimes the market sentiment is positive, sometimes the market sentiment is negative, and overall, there is no clarity. This is the main reason why gold is stuck in a range for the last couple of weeks. If you love to trade on gold, you must be knowing that gold is stuck in a range for a long time. This is the daily chart of gold, and this is the current situation. You can see gold is stuck in a range and there is no clarity. That's why I have been telling that if you're a swing trader, this is not the ideal chart to trade. If you're a position trader or an investor, then obviously every dip is a buying opportunity for you, but not for swing traders. So, day traders, you need to stick to the levels. That's it. Okay. And let's hope that we will get a clarity because the market sentiment is also not helping. As we all know, that the tension between USA and Iran, okay, is not going anywhere right now. Okay, let's wait and watch. Hope peace comes soon. And now we can see that gold is stuck in a range. So, level to level trading, yes, is the only solution here. Okay. So first and foremost, let's discuss, okay, if market drops, yes, if gold drops 4050, there's a high chance, okay, market may go down. In that case, we can look for a buy around 4022. If you're part of our WhatsApp community, then you must know that what I'm going to talk because we have discussed everything on the WhatsApp community already. Okay, anyways, here if market drops, there's a chance that around 4022, 4020 market will go for some liquidity grab because we have seen the liquidity grab or SL hunting has become very common these days. So if market comes to 4022, wait patiently. Okay, when market will be coming up again, we can look for a buy position above 4022. There's a high chance of liquidity grab. The support of 4000 is still very much valid. 4000 is a very crucial level. So if market doesn't take support also around 4000, suppose you see the market is going below 4000, do not panic. 4000, okay, has played with us for a long time. So there's a high chance that after playing, okay, market will be coming up again. So after some SL hunting, when market will be coming up, we can buy above 4000. So if market drops, 4022 and 4000 are two levels where you can look for a buy position after some liquidity grab. And if market goes up from here, then we can look for a selling opportunity around 4100. Keep in mind 4100 is just not a very strong level. So we are looking for a one-time selling opportunity, one or two candle. That's it. Okay. Why are we looking for a selling opportunity for 4100? Simple. Previous support will be working as resistance. That's it. Because 4120, okay, you must remember 4120 was acting as a resistance throughout the week. So 4120 has been tested many times. So this week I'm expecting a breakout above 4120. So after taking a sell position at 4100 or around 4100, okay, market will try to go up again. So in that scenario, okay, we can expect a consolidation. Here you can see I have drawn also. You can see one time selling opportunity. After that, there's a high chance that market will consolidate. So if you see consolidation around 4100, 4120 for 2 to 3 hours, it is a good sign. It means that okay, market is getting ready for a breakout. So after that, if market goes up, we can look for a buy position. Personally, I'm looking for a buy above 4120 after some consolidation. So let the market consolidate for 2 to 3 hours. After that, if market goes up, we can expect a breakout. Keep in mind, volume plays an important role. And before that, 4100. Okay. And overall, as we all know, the market is stuck in a range here. So try to avoid trading on the middle of the chart, because most of the people lose money in sideways market or range bound market because we take trades on places, okay, where we should not. Most of the people lose patience. They end up entering on the middle of the chart. They get stuck and end up losing money. So if you want to survive in a range bound market or sideways market, wait patiently for the right levels. When market will be coming down to the levels, okay, then only go for the trade. That's it. Okay. And obviously, no level is permanent. If market behaves according to your expectation, then only buy. For example, okay, at 4022, if you see the market has formed a big red candle, okay, then obviously you should avoid taking a buy position. Similarly, if you see that at 4100 market has formed a big green candle, okay, big green candle, then obviously you should avoid taking a sell position. Use your common sense also. Okay, so this is the current situation right now. No clarity on the overall direction. We are just sticking to the levels. The trend of the market is not clear. Simple. Okay, let's wait and watch.